What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. This one gonna be short and simple. Since the last time you seen this car, I did some things to it, and we're gonna get into that. But it's actually been way more fun. I went the whole boat-on route. I'm not full boat-on, but I went boat-on. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't have the Cobra Jet and the aftermarket injectors. Other than that, I went E85. And I'm gonna tell you like this: if your car is capable of doing it, or you have the kit or whatever you have to swap, if you can swap it, I would definitely do it. Like, it's definitely worth the money. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna get into some of the things that I changed. Got a whole nother tire set up, E85 now, and of course you already know. If you saw the last video, I kind of gave insight on the headers. You should really go and check out that video. We actually took some trips down to Mexico, had some runs, and man, I'm gonna show you the difference.
Appreciate you.
People and nature. It's here for a limited time, so grab a cup today.
Cars we drive are hard to distinguish. Open the door and it look like a phoenix. Don't have to commend me, already conceded. Dressed in the attire required for means. I let my habitat set in my features. Came from a village, we straight for the keepers. Lions look up to me like a Rafiki. These niggas hate cause they sell them for pieces. And I feel the hatred through telekinesis. When I was broke, they barely was speaking. I talk to dead presidents like Ouija. Buying designer and barely could speak it. G-Fun sheath for Marcus and Neiman's.